How to land your first AI automation agency client with zero budget. Hey there, it's Matt. Over the past few years, I built several successful online businesses with the help of my AI agent team. Today, I want to share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can acquire your very first AI automation agency client without spending a dime. This isn't a gimmick or hack. It's a tried and true method that's working exceptionally well right now. So, whether you are just starting out or looking to expand your client base, stick with me and I'll walk you through the entire process. So, starting an AI automation agency might seem daunting, especially when you are on a tight budget. And trust me, I've been there. But the good news is, you don't need to deep pockets to get your first client. What you need is a solid strategy, the right tools, and a bit of elbow grease. In this guide, I'll show you how to use free tools to build a high quality lead list, create personalized outreach that gets responses, leverage AI to showcase value to potential clients, and close your very first deal without spending any money. I tailored this guide specifically with the coaches in my mind because they are an ideal client for AI automation services. They're always looking for ways to scale their businesses, reach more clients, and automate repetitive tasks. Before we dive into the how to, let's talk about why coaches make such great clients for AI automation agencies. Coaches often juggle client decisions, marketing, content creation, and administrative work. They need automation to streamline their operations. Successful coaches understand the value of investing in tools and services that help them grow their businesses. Automating tasks like appointment scheduling, client onboarding, and follow-up emails can save coach significant time, which directly translate to increased revenue. By focusing on coaches, you are tapping into a market that's ripe of AI-driven automation solutions. Here is the list of free tools you need. Apify. You can use apify.com, and purpose of this is web scraping and data extraction, and cost is free. You have $5 credit every month, and believe me, it's enough. Also, we will use Apollo.io to access to vast database of professional contacts, and it's free to sign up. We will use Loom.com for recording personalized videos, and up to 5 minute video limit free plan is available. And also we will use Google Sheets for organizing and tracking your leads. For email account, you can use Gmail or any other professional email services, and we will use LinkedIn account for connecting and reaching out potential clients. So let's set up our tools. Visit apify.com, sign up, use your email to create an account. You'll receive $5 free credits. Also use Apollo, create a free account using your professional email address. Or go to Loom, create a free account, download and install the Loom Chrome extension for quick access. And that's all. Since we are focused on coaches, you'll need to define the niches you are most comfortable working with. This could include business coaches, life coaches, health and wellness coaches, executive coaches, or career coaches. Understanding your target audience helps in tailoring your messaging and services to meet their specific needs. So we will use Apollo.io for find coaches. We will navigate search and we will search people on Apollo.io. We will use filters, set filters, and you can enter relevant terms like business coach or life coach. You can search job titles, coach, founder, CEO, or consultant. And for the location, choose regions you are targeting, such as United States, Canada, United Kingdom. It's up to you. Company size has to be 1 to 10 employees to target solo or small teams. After applying these filters, copy the URL from the browser's address bar, and this URL contains all of your search parameters. Now go to Apify, find the Apollo Scraper on Apify, search for Apollo Scraper by Code Crafters, set up the scraper. Paste the URL you copied. Memory set to 512 megabytes and timeout, no timeout. After it, start the scraper and click Save and Start. The scraper will use your free credits, so you can keep an eye on usage to ensure you don't pass your limit. Now we got our results. We will download this CSV file from Apify after scraping is complete, and we will import it into Google Sheets. After importing your file, you created your file, you can remove unnecessary columns. You will just keep essential information such as first name, last name, email address, company name, website, LinkedIn profile URL. Filter out incomplete entries, remove rows with missing email addresses or LinkedIn URLs. Now add a qualified column. Review each lead to ensure they are good fit, mark yes or no accordingly. After it, add tracking columns. Loom URL for your personalized video, email sent, and LinkedIn sent to track your outreach. Now, we prepared our leads. We will write our email template. I will give an example to you. Hi, blah, blah, blah. I've been exploring ways to help coaches like you streamline and grow your practice. I recorded a quick video to share some ideas specific to your blah, blah, blah company and Loom URL. Would love to hear your thoughts. Best regards, Matt, AI automation specialist. Now, here LinkedIn message. Hi, blah, blah, blah. I'm impressed by the work you are doing at the blah, blah company. I recorded a short video with some ideas that might help you automate and scale your coaching businesses. Here's the video. Looking forward to connecting. Best, Matt. So, a little tip. Keep your messages concise and focused on providing value. Now I will talk about how you can prepare your Loom video. In the introduction, briefly introduce yourself. Mention something specific about their coaching practice. Highlight common challenges coaches face, like client management, scheduling, lead generation. Explain how AI automation can solve these issues for them. Share a quick demo of an automation solution, like automated scheduling system or lead nurturing sequence. And lastly, you have to add a CTA call to action. Invite them to a call to discuss further. After preparing your talking points, record the video. Start Loom. Use the Chrome extensions for quick access. Choose screen and camera to show both your face and screen. Make sure your microphone and camera are working properly. And keep it under 5 minutes. Be personable and natural. And use their website or LinkedIn profile during the video for personalization. After save, copy the video URL. Loom will provide this link after recording. Add the URL to your Google Sheet, Loom URL column next to corresponding lead. Now, we prepared our video. We will reaching out via email and LinkedIn. Compose a new email, use the corresponding template, email or LinkedIn. Personalize it and replace placeholders with least actual information. And double check first and send it. After it, update your tracking sheet, email sent or LinkedIn sent column, yes, no. It's important for monitor and keep track of your leads. When you do this, you're done. All of them, check your email and LinkedIn regularly. Respond to any message promptly. Use scheduling tools, Calendly can simplify. When a response comes, you have to scheduling a call. Use the scheduling tool Calendly can simplify the process. Prepare for the call. Research the lead's coaching practice in more details, actually. Prepare questions and suggestions tailored to their needs. By the way, you can use any automation tools from our community. We will have all the solutions you can prepare, customize, and offer to coaches or other businesses. So when you join Make Money with AI Agents, you will have all for give them, sell them, and I will help you to create the solutions from scratch. Now, let's talk about call, the most important part actually. And I know most of you not comfortable about calls, live calls, but we have to do this. We have AI in our site, but we are working person to person. So, build rapport. So, I'm giving my tricks. Start with a light conversation to make them comfortable. Discuss their pain points. Ask about challenges they are facing in their businesses. Explain how your AI automation services can help, and explain how you help others. Propose a pilot project or a specific service package to them and be clear about next steps. Now, let's say you landed. You got the deal. You have to set up your payment accounts. You can use Stripe or PayPal to create. You can even create payment link. And you have to create professional invoice. So include a detailed description of services you give to them and outline payment terms and methods. So once you secured your first client, and believe me, it will be faster than you think, it's time to think about scaling. First, streamline your lead generation and outreach. Use feedback from your first client to build credibility. Offer additional automation solutions that benefits coaches so you can sell more to the landed ones, and invest in premium versions of tools to increase efficiency. Landing your first AI automation agency client without spending any money is absolutely achievable. By leveraging these free tools I told you and focusing on providing real value to coaches or any other businesses, you can kickstart your agency and build momentum. Remember, the key is consistency and personalization. Coaches receive generic pitches all the time. Stand out by showing genuine interest in their work and offering solutions tailored to their needs. I started my journey exactly the same way, and with persistence and the right approach, I built a successful agency helping professionals automate and scale their businesses. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these steps today. You'll be well on your way to acquiring your first client. Thank you for joining me in this journey, and if you have any questions or success stories to share, feel free to reach out. And if you want make money with your agency, and if you want to learn how to create your agency from scratch or how to grow your business with AI, you can join Make Money with AI Agency community. I will help you personally in your journey. See you in the next video.